Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 1 November 2021, and today's video topic is array list. So, first we will discuss in this video to array list, features of array list, examples, and lots more of about array lists, and we will start the topic of array list. So Java array list is a class uses a dynamic array and for sorting the elements, and it's like an array, but there is no size limit, and we can add or remove elements anytime. So it is much more flexible than the traditional array, and it is found in a Java util package, and it is like the vector in C++, and array list can implements list interface and is based on array data structure. It is widely used because of the functionality and flexibility it offers. And most of the developers choose array list over an array as it's a very good alternative of traditional Java array. Array list is an resizable array implementation of the list interface, and it implements all optional list operations and permits all elements including null. So the array list in Java can array list in Java can have the duplicate element also. It implements the list interface, can use all the methods of list interface here. The array list maintains the insertion order internally, and it inherits the abstract list class and implements the list interface. The important points about the Java array list class is firstly, Java array list class can contain duplicate element and it is a maintain insertion order. Java array list class is non-synchronized, and it allows random access because array works at the index of class and index of class. So array list is little bit slower than the linked list in Java because a lot of shifting needs our occurs in any elements is removed from the array list. So why array list is better than array? The limitation with array is that it was a fixed length. So if it is a full, it is a full, you cannot add any more elements to it. Like wise, if there number of elements gets removed from the memory of consumptions, and it would be the same as it doesn't shrink. On the other, array list can dynamic grow and shrink after addition and removal of a element. Apart from these, so benefits, array list can uh, enable use to predefined method of its, which makes our task easy. So let's see the additional removal elements from array list, and they will be see how create a array list. Next is how create a array list. So we can create an array list by writing a simple statement. It is a statement create an array list with the name a list with type string, and the type determines which type of elements the list will have. Since This list is string type, and elements that are going to be added to this list will be before type string. So this is all about array list. Thank you.